let's look at this JAMB Past Questions Biology 2018. Question number 33. The greatest amount of energy will be obtained by the oxidation of 100 kg of A. Meat, B. Butter, C. Sugar, D. Biscuits. Now, for us to be able to understand this and put it in context, we are going to ask ourselves, what kind of food do we get the highest energy from? Is it from carbohydrates? What class of food do we have the best energy from? Is it carbohydrates? Is it protons? Is it fats and oil? Now, if we look at these various types, we know that the meat is a protein, butter is fats and oil, biscuit is carbohydrates as well as sugar. So which one do we get the highest energy from? We all know that we get the best energy from fats and oil, so that makes butter the right option. But following that, we also understand that the energy value of food is expressed in calories. We express the energy values of food in calories or kilojoules. And this is the amount of energy available in 1 gram of a particular food substance. So conventionally we have that 1 kg of lipid. Whenever you hear the word lipid, we mean fats and oil. Use about 37.6 kilojoule of energy, which is significantly more compared to that released by carbohydrates. So we have fats and oil releasing this per 1 kg or per 1 gram, actually, not 1 kg, 1 gram, whereas 1 gram of carbohydrate releases about 16.7 kilojoule, and 1 gram of protein releases about 16.7 as well. You understand? So we have actually that lipid releases the highest amount of energy, and that makes butter the right answer to this. Thank you.